Hi students and family members, it's Mr. Panza. Tonight for homework, we will review all the different areas of long division we've gone through so far. We started right here with division facts. Understanding that students recognized the answer was 6 wasn't the point. What we were trying to prove here was that the students could follow the steps of division. So, look at 36 and understand that I can divide 36 between 6 people. I skip count by 6 until I get to 36, which means each of these 6 people gets 6 because 6 times 6 is 36. That would leave me with nothing left over. Once the students got the concept of dividing, multiplying, subtracting, and bringing down, we moved on to problems that had remainders. Once again, 4 can break apart this 29. So I'm going to skip count by 4 till I get close to 29. In this case, it's 7. Because 7 times 4 is 28, when I subtract, there's 1 left over, and we call that a remainder. These were no longer math facts. Eventually, we went into a 3-digit dividend that looked like this, where each individual number in the hundreds, tens, and ones could be divided separately, and then you would repeat 3 times. 2 goes into 2, 1 time, 2 times 1 is 2, subtract, bring down, ask yourself, do I need to repeat, or is the 4 my remainder? And because the 4 is greater than my divisor of 2, I repeat. 2 goes into 4, 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract, bring down, and ask yourself again if I need to repeat, or is 8 my remainder? And because 8 is bigger than my divisor, I repeat the process one more time. 2 goes in 8 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, there's nothing left to bring down. There is no remainder. My answer would be 124. The students were very successful with 3-digit dividends that each part was broken up into. And when you would subtract, you'd get a single-digit number that could be divided into again. Then we challenged them a little once we started making those numbers a little bit bigger. 5 can go into the 8 one time. But when I subtract 8 minus 5 and I get 3, students started to realize 5 wasn't going into a single-digit number anymore. Because you brought down the 9, it made this a double-digit number. This is where some of the confusion first takes place. They had to recognize that you are dividing this 39, skipping by 5 till you get close to 39. Which would be 6. 7. 7 times 5 is 35. Subtract. Bring down. I'm not doing 5 into 4. I'm doing 5 into 46. Again, another double-digit dividend. Now I have 9, because 9 times 5 is 45, and I'm left with 179, remainder 1. Finally, we have a 4-digit dividend. In the 4-digit dividend, you end up with problems like we had seen in the previous number, where after the subtraction and bringing down the 14, you are dividing into a double-digit number. Can go into it 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract. Once again, you're dividing into a double-digit number. which is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And one last time, you're dividing into a double-digit number. 3 can break apart 16 5 times because 5 times 3 is 15, which leaves us with a remainder of 1. So we started all the way with division math facts to learn the process of division and ended with a 4-digit dividend that had double-digit left over with a remainder. That's a lot to cover in 3 weeks. This worksheet and homework tonight covers all of that. Hopefully your student is able to follow these, and I hope this video helps.